Hello everyone! I've prepared a lot of great kitchen tips for you. These are tips to help you turn ordinary eggs into something special. First, I cracked 5 eggs onto a yolk separator. The egg yolk contains most of the vitamins, minerals, choline, and antioxidants in the egg. For most healthy people, eating eggs in moderation can be part of a balanced diet. If you have a medical condition, such as high cholesterol or cardiovascular disease, you should consult your doctor or a nutritionist to determine the appropriate amount of eggs to eat. I whisked the egg whites with a fork until well combined. Now for the most important part. I insert the straw into the small hole on top of the milk carton and pour out all the milk inside. Next, I used scissors to widen the opening of the box to create space for the ingredients. After cutting it open, I poured the egg whites into the milk carton until it was full, then closed the lid. I beat the egg yolks together until well combined. Next, I placed a cup in the pot of water, then poured about 30 milliliters of grape vinegar into it. Then place the carton of milk in the middle of the bowl. Adding vinegar helps reduce the fishy smell during steaming and also helps the egg whites solidify faster. I covered it tightly for about 15 minutes. Next, I placed a pan on the stove and added some cooking oil. Next, I finely chopped 1 onion into thin strips. When the oil was hot, I added the sliced onions and stir-fried them first. Next up are thinly sliced potatoes. Potatoes have a naturally earthy flavor and are rich in starch, fiber, vitamin C, and potassium. After just a few minutes, the potatoes began to soften and blend with the onions. At this point, I added the shredded ham to the pan. When heated, the ham released its characteristic aroma, making the dish even more appealing. Once all the ingredients were cooked through, I cracked 2 eggs directly into it. Add a little salt and pepper, then quickly stir to coat the entire filling with the egg mixture. Finally, I sprinkled in some cilantro to enhance the aroma, stirred for a little longer until all the ingredients were well combined, and then turned off the heat. Then put all the ingredients on a plate. At this point, everything is ready for the exciting next step. The steam will gradually cook the food without submerging it in water. When you open the lid, you'll see that the egg white has solidified into a very firm mass. But this wasn't the final step. I prepared a tube about 2 centimeters in diameter, then gently drilled a hole through the center of the egg mass. At this point, the secret gradually began to be revealed. I slowly poured the beaten egg yolk into the space I had just created. The yolk gradually filled the inner core. Then, I covered the steamer again and steamed it for another 10 minutes to ensure the yolks were fully cooked. The real fun starts when you open the box. I carefully used scissors to cut along the milk carton, then slowly peeled off the paper layer. Immediately, a perfectly square, smooth, white mass of eggs appeared before their eyes. When sliced into rounds, the yolk sits perfectly round in the center, surrounded by a smooth, white layer of egg white, looking as if it were shaped using a specialized mold. So today I've shared with you a very interesting way to prepare eggs with a beautiful shape. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share so more people can learn about these simple cooking tips. Your support is my motivation to continue bringing you more interesting recipes and kitchen tips every day. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.